right, Diego. Let that left arm come in between your knees. Get your chest behind your right knee, Diego. All right. Ready? And rope. Just keep them square.
Okay, so just getting a feel for it now, guys. We'll go through the bridge, yeah. You pull it off with the rudder? Okay. Nice and smooth on the recovery. Diego, I'd like you to work on your finish position a little bit. Make sure that you're laying back with the body. Make sure when you pull the handle into you that it comes in level, and then you tap it down at the very end of the drive right there. So nice and level over your shins, Diego. I want you to pull the handle a little bit lower. Keep weight on the handle as you slide up. That'll keep the blade off the water. Once you get up to the catch right here, the blade will drop in. If you let it fall in, you don't need to lift, just let it drop in. If you're going to lift, just lift your body a little bit and then push with the legs. Okay? So Graham, nice and relaxed. Make sure you're not getting that seat too far up towards your feet. That's better. Okay, when we get to the dock, we're going to drop, through the bridge, we'll drop stern pair and add 3 and 4. Nice and level, Graham, on the pull through. Right over the shins, you're lifting your hands a little too high. That's it. Remember, once you execute the catch, which is really just kind of letting it fall in, the handle comes directly in, right along a tabletop, right into your solar plexus. Together. Get right with Jackie, Graham. Get right with Jackie. Diego, keep that oar off the water on the recovery. Keep the hands lower on the recovery. Finish the handle a little closer to your body. Okay, let it run. Hold water. Okay, 5-6-4-3, 5-6-4-3 from the finish, from the finish. From the finish means all the way into your chest, blade squared up, underwater. Okay, now, where are your shoes, Diego? Jackie, can you turn around and tell me how much shoes he has left up here in the front? And towards you, how much is left? It's all the way out that way? Okay. All right, let's go start middle four, set it up, get it off of port, it's on port, don't let it rest like that, we can't row with the boat like that. Hello? Okay, ready, rest your blade on the water, Chris, ready, go. Let's just keep it square for now, Diego. Keep it square. Let's flow right in with the stern, with your 5 and 6, 3 and 4. Move the hands smoothly and fluidly, Diego, around the finish here. Move it smoothly away. Don't stop your hands at the finish. Remember the finished position, Diego. Remember the finished position. Let it run. Hold water. Okay, let's sit at the finished position again. Middle pair at the finished position. Squared up, underwater. Squared up, underwater. Is your blade underwater? Okay. Now, look out at your blade. Is it underwater? Alright, now, make sure your elbows are level with your oar handle. Not droopy, sad elbows. Not peacock elbows. Eagle elbows. Power. There's power in eagle elbows here. Sad. Peacock, no. Right in the middle. Level. Diego. Give me an eagle elbow. That left elbow. Looks like a turkey. You ready for the oven? Tie your wings down and put you in the oven. Lift that elbow up a little more, the left one. A little more. Okay, bring the hands into the chest a little bit more. There. That's where you need to finish each stroke, okay? That's where it ends. We have to get in this position every stroke. So let's tap down and start rowing. Ready, go. Tap down and start rowing. Find that finished position again, Diego. Find it again. All the way up. No, 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 no. Remember, you're here, not here. We're here. Proud like an eagle. Keep rowing. Come on, guys. Get it off of port. Find the finished position, Diego. Keep rowing. Keep rowing. Keep the hands moving. Don't stop. Don't stop. We're rowing. Don't stop. Remember the finished position. Bring the hands in higher, Diego. Tap them down with the knees flat. Keep the hands moving. Don't stop the hands from moving. Don't stop them. The knees should be flat there. Get the knees flat. Get the knees flat. Bring the hands in a little higher, Diego, and keep them moving. That's it. The knees are flat when the hands go by. Flatten the knees out. Get them flat, flat, flat. That's it. Keep the hands moving now. Keep the hands moving. Keep the hands moving. Keep them moving. Keep them moving. Push the hands away. Keep them flowing. Flow with the hands. Okay, 5 and 6 drop out. 3 and 4 keep rowing. Okay, now bow pair. We're going to see if we can join you in, okay? So square your blade up now. Flatten your knees. Don't drag your blade in the water, Mitty. Get your blade out of the water. Get it out of the water. Flatten the knees. Flatten the knees, Chris. Okay, 3 and 4 stop rowing. Hold water. Okay, we're going to start rowing now, okay? So, let's 3 and 4 just sit easy. Bow pair, I want to see you at the finish. So flatten the knees. Flatten the knees. Like straighten the knees. Flat is straight. All the way flat. Now bring your hands into your chest. Now lay back. You too, Mitty. You too. You're going to row with him. Are those flat knees, Mitty? Is that the finished position? Okay, now we're there. Now let the oar fall in the water. There. Okay, that's the finished position. So when I say from the finish... Good. Okay. Alright. First things first. Set the boat up. There's only 6 of you. You can manage it. Get it off of port. Get it off of port. Thank you. Let your blade fall in. Okay. First things first. Level the elbows. Alright. Tap the handle down. Push. No, down. It should be down. Wait, wait, wait. We're going to bring the boat this way, not that way. So, tap the handle down. Get the blade out. Tap it down. Get the blade out. Tap the handle down. Don't turn it. Don't turn it. Just tap the handle down. Down is like a rock would fall. No, that's up. Down with the hands. There. Now straighten the arm. Now bend over. Don't lift up yet with the hands. Bend over, Chris. Bend. Bend at the hips. I'll talk, Medi, you just do. Okay, now slide up. Slide up. Slide up means to slide up that way. Slide, 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 slide. Okay, wait, one thing at a time. Sit at the finish. At the finish, Medi. The other finish, Medi. Okay. Push the hands down. Now straighten the arm. Now bend over. Don't lift the hands up yet. Keep them down. You shouldn't be in the water right now. No, 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 no. Like this. You should be sitting like this right now. Like this. Okay, now slide up. Slide that way. Slide up. Slide, 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 slide. Why aren't you pushing your oar handle out there with you? Slide, push, slide, push, slide, push, slide, push. Now put the oar in the water. Now push the legs. Now keep going. Keep rowing. Okay, 3 and 4. We're going to join you in. So Chris, I want you to keep doing what you're doing, but do it in time with Lauren. Lauren's the one in front of you. All right, 3 and 4, let's go. Ready? Go. Just join in right with 3 and 4 and move with them.
I'm not ready for that. I was not ready for that.
I'm sorry. I wasn't expecting it either.
Alright, that's it, Chris. See, it's a natural motion if you just let it be natural. Okay, looking pretty good. Stay relaxed. Let's take about 10 more. Stay right with them, Medi. Pay attention, make sure you're moving with the boat. Just learn to get a feel for it. Learn to feel what's going on. 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Let it run. Okay, starboard side, hold water. Start from the finish. We'll do the whole recovery from the finish, Diego, from the release. Make sure you're squared and buried, boat set. Level up the gunnels, port sides in the bow, raise your hands a little bit, bring your oar handle under your knees under the oar handle. Okay, stern 4, ready, go. Support your side up there, port. Don't let your blade falter. Keep the blade higher, your knees under the handle. 2, slide up, that's it. Try to keep the blade resting on the water. Knees under the handle. Keep it square, stern 4. Keep it square. Just row square right now. Remember your finish position, Diego. Remember the finish position. That's it. Get the knees flat right away. Don't dilly-dally with the knees. Get them down. That's it. And the knees are dropping. The arms working. The arms working so the handle comes in higher to the chest. Bring just a little bit, Graham. That's better. You'll get right in time. Don't rush up. That's better, Graham. Jackie and Tom, make sure that the seat stays into the stern of the boat as the blade hits the water. Move the seat after the blade hits the water. Right up. So come to the finish, get your blade in the air, square it up, bow pair, that's you two. Knees should be flat. Flatten the knees. Get your knees out of the way, flatten the knees. Okay, ready, row. Just keep it square, start rowing. Full slides, full slides. Okay, let's row together. Row in the same boat. Keep it square, Mitty. Keep it square. Don't feather it yet.
Water, man, to get it in the water.
Okay, Chris, drop out. Chris, stop rowing. Maddie, keep rowing. Okay, let her run. Port hold, port hold. Let her run. Okay, bow in 3, take a couple strokes. Bow in 3, take a couple strokes. 7 and 5, hold water. Row, bow in 3. That's it. Keep those hands moving, Diego, around the turn. Move, move, move. That's it. Don't be lazy around the turn. Follow through. Remember the position. You need to get the hands all the way into the chest with the knees flat. Get the knees flat. Get the hands into the chest. That's it, Diego. Keep them flowing and keep them moving. It's better. Nice and level on the pull through, Graham. Hanging on the oar. Chris, put your right hand over in the other green surface of the oar. Your right hand. No. No, yeah. Now keep rowing. Actually, 2 more strokes and then bow pair will drop out. 1. And 2, bow pair drop out. Okay, just help set the boat. Get ready for docking.